Dear partners and customers, I am pleased to welcome you today to this Kohler facility to present you our new enclosure solution called walk-in container. This new design coming from North America is featuring oversized dimensions compared to our other enclosure solutions. Up to 17.5 meters long, 4 meters wide and 4 meters high for the enclosure itself. Our walk-in containers are all based on a modular concept. A central module with a length of 12 meters, the engine, alternator and control panel assembled on a base frame, the cooling system and its interconnection piping with the engine, the breaker cubicle and its bus duct coming from the alternator. All those components are installed inside the walk-in container and interconnected once and for all in our Kohler factory. The silencer is fitted on the roof. It can be horizontal or vertical, and the fuel belly tank can be added under the walk-in container to ensure a large fuel autonomy. There is also a wide external walkway to provide a good accessibility to the walk-in container. 3 different configurations of air inlet and air outlet modules have been designed to achieve different noise level depending on customer needs. 85 dB at 1 meter, 75 dB at 1 meter, and 65 dB at 1 meter. The operators can walk around the genset without any difficulty. This enhanced accessibility on both sides on top of the genset will also be highly appreciated by maintenance team who will be able to work as if they were in a building. Don't hesitate to contact your Kohler sales representative if you need any more information. Goodbye and thanks for your attention.